$7.95 Vogel. Enter into large living room. It's freshly painted. It's like laminate floor, not laminate, but engineered wood floors. Down here to the left, the hallway, the bedrooms. Here's the guest bath on your right. Nice size, full-size shower. It's all been updated. Directly across the hall, got a guest room. Move back here, across, another guest room. Actually, this is the master, it looks like. Full-size tub. No shower. It's got the shower hose there. Guest room across here. So you got your 3 bedrooms.
Well, and if they wanted to, they'd probably knock this wall down. This is pretty nice.
Close to the back in the kitchen, dining area here. Kitchen's all been updated nicely. New backsplash. You got a pass through on both sides. Nice island here. Garage is a 2-car garage off the kitchen. Large garage. Got your laundry room here in the garage area. Good size. Lots of storage you can put in here. And in the back, your sliding doors. Nice big backyard. Mature trees. Got a little fenced-in area for a garden there. You could do some planting. There's also a door, back door for the garage. Got a window unit, looks like in the back there, in the laundry room. There you go.